All right, this is Delbert with Everything Changes. Want to give you a little update on the tornado damage. I don't know if I'm in the picture or not, but I'm trying to get there. All right, so we're going to do a little update on the video. I'm heading towards the area. I'm not very far from it now, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around and let you guys see where we're going. All right, hopefully you guys can see the update over here. I'm going to open the window so you get a good view of the update. Alright, so this is all the stuff. You see the new fence, some old fence, some of that. And you see a lot of the area that has been devastated by this tornado. So this was the one November 3rd. You saw my video. I thought, well, it'd be a good idea to maybe update you guys as to what is really going on out here. So figured I was in the area, might as well do it. So, not sure what you're going to be able to see. I'm going to do my best to get you some video of the area. Remember, these people live here, so I'm just not going to stop and show too much, but yeah. So this whole area was hit, and then it crossed over to where I live, basically. So, right, let's go down this one here. This one's a good one. So you see the indiscriminacies of the housing. So we'll get up here where it's slow down once we get to the area. Might help turn on the microphone's on. Okay. Sorry, I thought I didn't have the mic on. So let's go over here. On this side. They just tore the houses completely down over here, so you can see that. And then there's some houses still there. If you want to say that's a house anyway. There you go. That was somebody's house. Don't know anybody that lives here. You also have one right here coming up that has been completely taken down. There you go. Come on, focus. There we go. There. All right. So I'm getting to learn my new gimbal, so my apologies if it doesn't stay where it needs to be. So, all right. So we're gonna come on over this way. And hopefully the sun's kind of in a bad spot today, so there we go. You can see down that way. That goes down. Sun's gonna blind us here for a second. Let me turn the car here. See in front of me, there's some that are actually fixing their homes. So, okay, let's get over here. Sorry about the being in the car is kind of hard to do this and drive at the same time. So, I'm doing my best, guys. There we go. They're actually redoing their house here. Looks like they got some work done on it so far. And so far, so good. You can see the indiscriminate nature of these things. That's all I can say about this. So you can see down there where the housing got tore up. And you can kind of see, look on this side. This house here wasn't even touched. And this house here got pretty well damaged. Yeah, their garage got completely tore off. This one here, and then we'll turn around here. And you can see the issues that have happened here. And then looks like the house next to it, if there was one. Okay, now we're going to come back over here, just on the other side of the street. Horrible, isn't it? One house is touched, one house is just totally demolished. Now they had some trees hit these houses, that's why the holes in the roof like this. But you can see the damage that was done. So, a little closer. Yeah. Tornadoes can do a lot. Y'all don't realize that. We got some houses on the other side here. I'll see that roof's barely touched, but some of the brick in the front fell off, pushed in the garage doors. We'll come over here. You'll see that one there. Just the indiscriminate nature of tornadoes. I mean, there's just no rhyme or reason why they do what they do. They just do it. So we come over here on this side again. You can see that one was pretty damaged as well. And so that's your update. There's a lot more in this area, but we're getting into some of the houses that were just slightly damaged. You see little roof spots up there that were damaged. And you see some people just completely gutted their house because some water damage, I'm sure, happened from the roofs being damaged. So complete renovation of your home happens when tornadoes hit. So unfortunately for these guys over here, it was not a great day. It's a beautiful day out. It's 61 degrees here in Oklahoma City. So I got the windows down, just kind of cruising. And then it goes down these blocks over here. I'm not going to go down there, guys. I'm sorry. It's just too, it's kind of like people going to seeing your stuff, I wouldn't want people to see my stuff. So there we go. And these houses were not touched. Not touched at all. So, okay, there's your update video for the tornado. This is now March 8th. And as you can see, things have gotten back to as normal as they possibly can for these people here. And I'm going to take a left up here. All right. With that said, you guys, please like, share, subscribe. Enjoy the videos as I bring them out. I'm going to try and bring more out. And do what I can, okay? With that said, everyone, have a great Sunday. And I'll close these windows a little bit worse. All right. So if you remember the video, this light we're coming up to, I was going the other direction. This is the light we hit. That was not working at the time. And then the ones up here where the highway is, were working. So you can kind of see that. Get up there. All right. All right, everybody. Till next time, this is Delbert with Everything Changes 23. Please like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe. I was able to gain 13 subscribers so far this weekend. I'd like to see going up 25 more if I can get them. That would be awesome. So tell your friends, like, share, subscribe. That'd be great. Appreciate you all very much. And I'll see you guys in the next video, okay? Till then, bye-bye.